Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I seek the refuge, the Lord of Allah, from the reverse of evil. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. My name is Musabir, and my father's name is Abdullah Al-Mamun, and my mother's name is Sonia Khatun. My mother's name is Sonia Khatun. My father is a foreigner and my mother is a housewife. I have a little brother and no sister. My grandfather and grandmother live with us. My village name is Niamatpur and my police station name is Kaligons. My district name is Zinaida. I read in a madrasa and I read in a class 3. My madrasa has 15 teachers and 300 students. Our teachers are very expert. Most of the teachers are university students. They teach us English, Quran, Hadith, Bangla, Math, Science, etc. We can talk English and Arabic language. I am very proud for reading a madrasa. My principal name is Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Ruhul Amin Sahib. Thanks everybody. Assalamu alaikum.